Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to design offset border frames using frames in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a wide canvas. First I place an image and center it. Then I draw a thin rectangular frame and move it slightly off center. After that I duplicate the frame and change its color for contrast. Now I adjust spacing between the image and frames intentionally. Next, I add subtle shadows to enhance depth. Then I align elements carefully so offset feels designed, not random. After this, I experiment with stroke thickness. Now I zoom out to check visual rhythm. Finally, I refine the layout until the offset frame feels modern and stylish.